Hey guys, got a video today on my multi-tool. The other day I had uploaded a video on my everyday carry items, and I had gotten a message about my multi-tool that I carry. This is the Leatherman Wingman. This is one of the more affordable ones. It can be had from anywhere to $20 to $30. This is an outside accessible blade tool. It has a straight blade and then serrated, and on this side it has the scissors. And this multi-tool, the pliers are spring loaded. On this arm we have the bottle opener, can opener. We have a file with a rule on this side, and we have a leather opener. On this side of the handle you have a large flathead and Phillips. And this tool does include a pocket clip, which I do use because the weight of this item is not that bad. It's a medium-sized multi-tool, but it's rather light. Some of the cons with it, the scissors, they do cut, but the way they're put together in machines, it has a gap in here, so if you use them to cut, you have to use up here near the tip. And the one hand opener, it opens, but you can tell it's not real fluent and flush in an opening. You can feel a little drag there, and it does have some wobble. And you can see the difference when you compare it to one of the other Leatherman, a little bit more expensive one. The Wave, you see it doesn't have any play like that, and it has real smooth opening. You can tell the difference. But at the price points, the Leatherman Wingman is real hard to beat. Through the years I've bought the $5 and $10 multi-tools from Walmart and from Home Depot and Lowe's, but they never held up. Within a couple months the bolts were backing out. You had so much play in the blade areas and stuff, they were just falling apart. So when you look at the price value, the Leatherman Wingman is hard to beat. But I just wanted to make this short video talking about this because I had been asked a question about it. And for the price, you can't beat it. I mean, I'm real satisfied with it. And every job I've used it for thus far, it handled it perfect. I didn't have any problems with it. So y'all guys check it out. It's the Leatherman Wingman. And like I say, I've seen them sell anywhere between $20 to $30, and that's with shipping, online. And it comes in real handy when you need one. Alright guys, y'all, until next time, y'all take care.